welcome to my YouTube channel. Say hi.
Meow.
Nihaw. Lagi siyang nihaw. And welcome back to our camping adventure. So, ngayon naman, pupunta kami sa China Beach Campground. So, doon yung aming second camping adventure for this season. So, yan. Ang aming camping ngayon is extra special kasi first time namin makakasama ang Condesa family. So, salamat naman at nakasama sila. And I'm thankful that we have good weather today. Kaninang umaga maulan at saka yung forecast ng weather is maulan siya since yesterday until Sunday. So, kaninang umaga umuulan siya. So, medyo nakakalungkot. But, I prayed last night na bigyan kami ng magandang weather ngayong weekend para sa aming camping. And yes, true enough, God is so good. See? It's sunny. Nakakatuwa naman si Lord talaga. Sana magtuloy-tuloy talaga itong magandang weather. Medyo malamig but it's okay. At least hindi umuulan para makapag-setup kami at para makapag-enjoy kami. Ayun, so papunta na kami ng China Beach. Kasama din namin yung aming regular camping buddies na si Barbie, si Mark at saka si Raijin. Last time kasi si Raijin hindi nakasama dahil tinulungan niya yung pinsan niya maglipat. Ngayon makakasama na namin siya. So silang magkasama ni Mark. Medyo na-late sila. So sabi nila na mauna na lang kami doon kasi bibili pa sila ng water sa Costco. So yan, let's go! Excited kami para sa camping na to kasi this is our first time camping at China Beach Campground. So let's see what the campground has to offer, kung maganda ba yung mga beach. Pero sabi nila maganda din naman daw doon kasi pwede ka mag-trail papunta sa Mystic Beach. So yung Mystic Beach ang maganda kasi nakita namin sa vlog yung China Beach medyo rocky, no be? Rocky and medyo madumi. Hindi naman siya yung madumi na parang katulad ng ibang na puro basura. Madumi siyang tingnan kasi maraming tuyong dahon, may mga ganyan. Hindi talaga siya yung nililinis na beach, ganyan. So, natural talaga siya. So, yun, titingnan namin and yeah, we're excited! See ya! May bawon akong popcorn. Yan o. Kasi ang travel time nun, nakalimutan ko palang mag-log ng time. Ang travel time is, papunta doon is, ilang minuto kanina be?
1 hour and 5 or 10 minutes.
1 hour and 10 minutes, but now it's only 58 minutes na lang.
May traffic kasi kanina.
Kasi naka take off na kami. Take off? Aeroplano. So yun, 58 minutes to go, guys. So kaya ako may popcorn para pag nagutom sa biyahe. Eto, gutom na. Kumakain na siya. Okay. Hey guys, nasa souk na kami. Okay guys, time check. It's 34 minutes na lang. And the time now is 6:31. Our ETA is 7:05. So, andito na kami sa souk. At 34 minutes more to go. Gosh, I can see it. It's raining over there. Oh my gosh.
Hindi ba raining?
Walang rain. Pero sa China Beach, wala siyang rain forecast. Mamaya pang madaling araw. Ngayon is cloudy lang. And then, ang weather doon ay 11 degrees pero feels like 6 degrees. So it's gonna be a cold camping night. Okay, time now is 6:52. Almost 7. Oy, malapit na kami. 13 minutes na lang, guys. Oh, ang ganda. Tabi talaga siya ng dagat. Ang China Beach kasi is a coastal area. So, yan. Kaya malamig mamaya. And it's raining. Pero Pero ang forecast, walang rain sa China Beach. Dito lang sa mga dinadaanan. But medyo gloomy talaga siya. Sabi ko nga, okay lang na gloomy, basta hindi rainy. Ayan sila, Condesa family, kasunod namin. Parang kami na lang ang sasakyan dito, Diyos ko Lord. Solo na namin ang daan dito. Ayan, oh. Para kang nasa pelikula na na nakakatakot. Oh my gosh, it's foggy over here. Guys, dinala kami ng map sa day use area. Pero China Beach Campground naman nakalagay, oh.
They use.
Hindi, baka mamaya meron siya dyang Ito pa, oh, yan.
They use trailhead eh.
Hindi, baka meron dyan, pasukan.
Pasok na yan doon yung check-in, yung gate.
Let's see. Let's see kung anong meron dito. Kasi dito tayo dinala ng map. Nilagay naman namin, guys, is China Beach Provincial Campground. Pero dito kami dinala sa parang day use area nila. But let's see kung meron ditong ikutan. Oops, let's see. Anong meron? Marine, Mystic, China Beach, Overflow Parking. May ikutan kaya dito?
Wala yata eh, wala. J.U.S. na to eh oh. Doon nga yun. Wala na to oh.
O di mag-ano tayo?
Ikot tayo.
Ikot. Guys, dito na kami sa campground. Pinadala kami ni Google Map doon sa sa day use area. So here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's raining here. Oh my gosh. Park and check-in information dito sa right be.
Putik.
You are in Bear Country. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we know. We are in Bear Country, Juan de Fuca Provincial Park.
Yung check-in.
Dito tayo tinuro eh. 64-65 tayo eh.
64, 65.
Kasi may mga nakalagay din silang resibo eh. Nag-check-in tong mga to.
Kaya nga saan yung check-in?
Oh, where is the check-in area? Ito, ano tong araw na to? What's this?
Exit.
Exit.
Kaya tayo galing kanina eh.
A few minutes later.
So, here's the check-in procedure. Wala pala silang check-in katulad ng ibang campsite, but they are like the Bamberton Campground. Napupunta ka na lang doon sa area mo ng site. And then, sila nang pupunta para ma-register ka. May shower? Ah, individual siya. Oh, nice. Ito lang yung shower area nila. Parang papunta tayo doon, be. Papunta doon sa dulo. Shower toilet na siya. Ayan siya, guys. Meron siyang 4 na. There's 4 rooms that has shower and flush toilets. Here's what it is. Ah, bago lang nga siya. Ang lamig, guys. Bago lang siya. So, yan. Ganyan siya. Oops, hindi siya nag-flush. Guys, it's a pay shower. $3 for 5 minutes. No cash, credit or debit card only. Ay.
54 to 70.
O, dyan na tayo. Yes. Malapit naman kami sa shower area. So guys, finally we found our campsite. We are at 64 and 65. Kambal siya. Pero dahil umuulan, look! May tubig! Paano tayo niyan may tubig? Look at our campsite. Malaki naman siya, kaso nga lang may mga tubig in between. So, good luck sa pag-set up ng tent. Hindi naman tayo masyadong mapuno, oh. May butas. At parang bundok yang nasa taas natin. Kasi kambal. Ano ba to? Bakit umaatras sila? Ah, may tubig. Let's see. Kung now is 100%. 100% siya. So, tingnan natin kung ilang percent yung makukonsume ng pagpalobo ng Eva. I'll show you guys. We have a little side table here. Gusto ng jowa ko yung side table na yan para meron kaming patungan ng mga gamit. Ayan, lobo na siya. And ilang percent? Wala, hindi ko makita. 99 pa rin siya. Ayan si Mark. Diyan siya magte-tent sa aming harapan. Saan si Regine? Ah, doon siya sa kapitbahay.
Tayo na agad yung tent.
Hey! Hey! Yoo-hoo! Hi! Welcome to camping again. Excited siya. O, di ba? Upuan na kagad yung tinatayo niya. Walang kahirap-hirap. Hindi. Tulungan mo muna si Barbs. Okay, here's Barbie. Hi, Lois. Dito si Regine. And Kuya is there.
Dad, ready?
Bubble, bubble. Show me the bubble.
Mom, did we do it?
Yay! How are you there, Kuya? You set up your bed?
Yes.
Oh, nice! Because there's rain in the forecast, so my husband and I decided to buy tarpaulin and poles. The poles we bought from Canadian Tire and the tarpaulin we bought from Walmart. So whenever it rains, we will have coverage for our dining area in the resting space so that the kids can also play. They are just figuring out how to put that up because it's too big. So yeah, I hope they'll figure it out. Oh my God! Umulan na talaga siya nung ano. Naikabit natin. Sakto. Dinner! What's our food? What? Chicken adobo, pork ribs, cherries. This is nice. Para kaming nasa ano, malaking pavilion. May piyestahan dito.
A few moments later.
Oh, Liam. Don't touch the stick, okay? It's hot. Hey, why are you putting it? Nawala ng apoy. Ah, naulanan na? Naulanan. Yeah. Doon ka, Barbs. Pipicturean ko kayo.
Kasi konti lang yung speed niyan.
Oh, morning! Ha?
Nadrasan ako ng ganito.
Ah. Ang lakas ng ulan ng madaling araw. Oo. Natakot ba siya?
Hindi nga nang lumabas.
Ah. Ah, nakalabas na pala si Barbie. Asan ba si Barbie? Ah, nakapagala ka na? Ah. Ang aga gumising netong si ano eh.
Nakikita ko tayo si ano.
Si?
Ate sa si ano, Mama Sabelita.
Hey, you woke up early. Oh. Hindi sila nabasa. We have chef in the house. We have the chef in the house from Blue Fox Cafe in Victoria. The famous Blue Fox.
Masama na.
Ha?
Oh, di ba nag-healthcare?
Sarap ng kape, guys.
Imported coffee natin.
Yeah.
Malaysia.
Malaysian. We have Papua New Guinean coffee. See, this is the PNG coffee. And then we have the Malaysian coffee, sponsored by Papa Raymond. Thank you, Papa Raymond. Nutella pa more, bebe.
Naubos mo na Nutella?
Daddy, mommy.
Oh, nag-roll call siya.
Where's Liam? No Liam.
No, Liam.
Ah. We can see you. Yeah?
Oh, may nilaga. Nilaga by Chef Jerry's.
Sabi ko nagkahayaan pa tayo sa adobo kagulo.
May natira pa ba?
Pinapaubos ko
Akala
rin
ko
ito
ba
eh.
inubos mo na?
Tinira ko yung isang malaki. Sabi ko kay Mark, kunin mo na Mark para maubos na. Ayoko na, sabi niya bigat na. Okay. Ubos na.
Thank you, Lord,
Thank you.
for the foods and all the graces.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi. Konti lang ako, babe.
Ikaw,
Ako nang kukuha ng sa akin. Konti lang yun sa akin.
May mga activity sa school na ayaw niyong gawin.
What?
After beach,
So para ma-divert.
Yeah. In the evening again. You pray that it's not gonna rain, okay? Pray.
Para ma-divert.
Pray
Tapos
harder,
sinisingit-singit
okay?
nila. Pag naboboard na siya dun sa regular na ginagawa.
Pray for
isisingit
good
yun.
weather, no rain, so that our bonfire will be good.
Mabait nga yung, mababait yung school.
Buti kino-consider yung mga ganun, no?
Oo. Tapos kaya gusto nilang ma-assist.
Morning, guys! Hello! We're going to Mystic Beach. So, ayaw nilang mag-trail, mag-hike. Kaya nag-car kami. After namin mag-breakfast, we decided to go to Mystic Beach para naman makapag-enjoy yung mga bata. Ayan siya. So, we're going. See you there. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura at kung maganda ba sa Mystic Beach. See ya! But where are we going?
Mystic Beach.
Okay.
Right next to
Can you
China
please
Beach.
tell to the viewers to like and subscribe?
Please like and subscribe. This is not my channel. I actually have my own channel.
Yeah. You also invite my viewers to follow and like your your YouTube channel. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Liam, I just forgot.
Liam what?
I don't know.
Okay guys, please follow Liam's YouTube channel and like and subscribe to his channel.
To be a good.
You will see mushrooms videos and what else?
No, there's barely any mushroom videos.
Oh, what is in your YouTube channel?
Mostly Lego.
Oh, Lego, yeah, because he's good in building Legos.
Very big Lego.
Yes. Hi, vlogger friend. Okay, guys, so it's dead end. There's a cliff there, so we're gonna go back and go to the day use of China Beach and then hike from there. Is that it? Come on, hike.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, we're going to hike to Mystic.
Come here, Lois, come. What's that? Oh, big tree. Come. What? Oh, careful. Careful, Lois. Careful.
Okay, Kuya will be the lead. Go, Kuya.
Don't run there.
Yeah.
Jelly fungus. Jelly fungus.
Where?
Bubulong ka dyan.
Oh, fun fact. Fun fact.
Jelly
What's-
fungus is a part of the jelly mushrooms.
Look at the camera.
Jelly mushrooms are usually soft and squishy.
Okay, thank you. Mystic Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches on Vancouver Island. It's located in Juan de Fuca Provincial Park and is part of the famous Juan de Fuca Marine Trail, a 47-kilometer coastal hiking route. Yes.
Artista, ayos mo na.
Go.
Hello, we found this slug on the trail. I don't know what type of slug this is, but
Look at the camera when you're talking.
it looks like a big slug that has black dots. It's probably just disguised as black charcoal. Since we've seen a couple of these at camp. A lot of them, I mean.
Okay,
Bye-bye,
thank you. Okay,
Okay na, video ito.
we're close to Suspension Bridge. Oh my goodness. Oh, Hank is there. This is Pete Wolf Creek. Pete Wolf Creek.
Yan yung babagsak doon sa may dagat.
Malapit na ba rito?
Mahina pa yung tubig eh.
Ah, ito yung papuntang dagat.
So muddy. See? Hiking.
When I got here, I used that way.
Hiking today gives you a muddy trail.
We've been hiking for 30 minutes.
How long?
For
Oh my gosh, we're just half?
barely half.
Barely half?
Kalo yung video gag. Oh, you walk.
We're almost there.
Hindi pa dinugtong
Oh, yes.
daanan eh.
Kaya, paputol. Para challenging daw, pre.
Very challenging. It's a small step.
Now we're going up.
It's narrow. I mean, it's not small, it's just narrow.
Ang dami na yung lumampas sa atin ah.
Kaya nga. Here.
Oh my God. Matarik. Oops, yeah.
Careful, baby. Meron naman dito, oh. This side.
Haba pala nila eh.
Ano? Hike pa more?
Mga bukas pa tayo dadating doon.
Trail pa more? I'm so proud of Lois!
Pag nahulog ka, dalawa tayo.
Malamang.
Wow!
Wow, I can see the ocean now. Oh, ocean! Yes! Oh, see? We came from there. That side. Is it a dead end? Where's Uncle Gary?
2,000 years later.
Andito na kami sa Mystic Beach! Ang ganda! Ando ng falls there. The top of my head. good. So guys, woo, look at that! Ang lamig! Let's go to the falls! Oh wow! That's the falls! Yee! It's super nice! See? It's super nice! Okay guys, we're going back up. Going back up. Back up to the camp. Oh my goodness. This is the most challenging part. Going up. Oh, my legs already hurting. Can you hear that? Can you hear my breathing? Hiking with 2-year-old. The baby is sleeping now. Napagod siya. Oh, pagod ang bata. Guys, it's so tiring. But it's worth it. It's nice. Okay guys, we're almost there. I can see the parking area, but we're on the other side.
I'll go sit down.
Nauna pa ako sa asawa ko.
We came from the other side. We're supposed to came from there. I guess we came from here.
Oh! Finally! Ah! Success!
Back to the parking lot.
Yes! And we're going to head out at the campsite.
2,000 years later.
And so we're back! So nasa ano na sila, nasa tent. Dahil mga pagod. Prepping lunch and early dinner pala siya, hindi siya lunch.
Yes, big eye fish.
Big eye fish.
Yeah.
Big eye fish.
Big eye fish.
Come here, Luis.
Kuya's drinking coffee.
Hot chicken daw, chicken.
What's that?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Give chicken.
Bebe!
Give the small one. Not that one. Oh, ano.
Wawa naman.
Ay, bigyan ito. Chicken.
Generous. Here's steak. We have steak.
So, hindi ka maligo.
Mamaya na, pagkakain.
Matagal pa yan. 5 minutes lang naman yung shower.
Oh, ikaw na maligo. Mauna ka na. Para hindi tayo sabay-sabay later. Okay. Then, shrimpy. Iba talaga pag may chef in the house. Surf and turf. Ang pampano ko, ang tagal maluto. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love it. The sun showed up.
Nag-office ka ba rin dyan sa RDH?
It's so nice. Thank you, Lord. Ayan na po, nagpe-plating na po si Chef.
And I'm his kid back over here.
Yeah, oh, proud kid of the daddy chef. Oh, di ba? Social ng ng pagkain ng camping.
Saan ka pa?
Naka-steak.
It doesn't matter where we are. It matters who the chef is.
Ah, talaga namang proud kid talaga siya. Say it again, say it again.
It doesn't matter where you are.
Uh-huh.
It matters who's cooking.
And who's cooking?
My dad.
Oh. Oh, what? What's
Ice cream.
that?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
That's
Oh my God, guys. Look. Are we in the restaurant?
An outdoor, ano siya?
Yeah, outdoor resto. Alfresco. We're in the Alfresco with Chef Jerry. Amen. Thank you, Lord. Thank you po sa lahat. Hey guys, I'm going to shower and I just wanted to show you how this pay shower works. So you're just gonna tap your card, debit or credit, and then once it's approved, it will authorize you and then the timer will start.
Nakarinig lang siya ng tar.
Good morning!
One hour later.
Oh, hey Liam.
Hello.
How's your first time camping?
Not really good. I couldn't sleep that much. Because of my baby sister.
Oh, she's always crying. But how about the place, the beach, the bonfire,
The s'mores,
s'mores? Yeah.
delicioso.
Huh?
S'mores were delicioso.
Delicioso.
I think you ate 10, right? 10 s'mores. How's the food?
Pretty decent. Like 9.
9. Opo, may pa-review, may rating siya.
Out of 10.
How's your trail yesterday?
How about the trail hike?
Hurt my leg, so I gave it an 8.
Gave it an 8?
Because my legs hurt.
But would you camp again?
Not really.
Not really. You don't want anymore?
Yeah.
Even your mom say so? And your dad say so? Huh?
Give them the opinion.
Give them an opinion, mom.
A few moments later.
Guys, we're heading out now. We're going to Shirley Delicious for our brunch. That's Raijin and Mark. And then us. And then next is the Condesa fam. So yeah, thank you so much, China Beach Campground. Guys, we're now here at Shirley Delicious. I'm so happy because it's our first time except for Raijin. I've been wanting to go here but my husband's always busy. So finally we're here and I'm so happy that I will get to try their food. So my friend said masarap yung kanilang mga pastries and coffee. So yeah, we're about to try that. Hi guys! So yan, ang saya-saya ng aming camping experience. So ito yung first camping experience namin na umuulan. So okay naman, naka-survive naman kami kasi hindi naman siya, thankfully hindi siya ganun kalakas ang ulan. Tapos hindi rin mahangin, malamig lang, and then yun nga, maulan. So ang aming naging struggle is yung lamig, di ba be? Anong
Hindi
struggle
naman.
natin, di ba?
Yung putik.
Ah yeah, the
Papupunta ka
road.
ng CR.
Yun lang ang ano doon, downside sa China Beach Campground kasi kapag maulan, yung road nila maputik, para kang nasa bukid, ganyan siya. Maputik siya. Pero overall, the campsite is maganda siya.
Wala, hindi mabato.
hindi mabato yung campsite area niya. So hindi masakit sa paa pag itinayo mo yung tent mo doon sa sa campsite. At saka maganda yung mga puno, meron silang shower and flush toilets. Ang maganda dun sa nakuha namin, malapit siya doon sa shower and flush toilet. Meron silang 4 cubicles. Ang downside lang is merong bayad yung shower. Parang 5 minutes for $3 siya. And hindi mo ma-adjust yung tubig. Unlike dun sa napuntahan namin sa Port Renfrew na may bayad yung shower pero ma-adjust mo yung lamig ng tubig or yung init or lamig ng tubig. So dito walang adjustan yung yung water niya. So sobrang init, alam mo yun. Tapos nagpanic pa ako kasi pag tap ko ng ganyan, tumakbo na kagad yung oras. So parang nataranta ako kung ano yung uunahin kong ilagay sa katawan ko. So nakadalawang tap ako. So that is total of 10 minutes for $6. Yun siya. Pero nice naman yung shower nila, malinis. Tapos nandun na yung cubicle ng shower at saka yung toilet. So kung gusto mong mag-poop and then shower after, pwede. Ayun. Maganda yung campsite nila. Tapos yun nga lang, medyo malayo yung hike papunta dun sa beach. Actually, yung isa naming batang kasama, si JC, sabi niya nga, the irony of it, sabi niya, nagpunta daw kami sa ibang beach, sa Mystic Beach, pero hindi naman kami nagpunta sa China Beach, which is named after doon sa campground. So, bakit daw hindi namin pinuntahan yung China Beach? Kasi dahil sa review kasi mas maganda sa Mystic Beach. Kaso nga lang yung hike namin kahapon napaka pagod. Although 6 kilometers in total lang siya back and forth. Pero nakakapagod siya kasi up and down, rocky, muddy because of the weather nga. So ang plano kagabi is magpupunta kami sana after namin mag-check out, pupunta sana kami ng China Beach, but then hindi na nagawa kasi nga ang sasakit na ng mga katawan ng mga mata-thunders nung pagising sa umaga. Ngayon masasakit yung mga binti ko, ayan. So marirecommend mo ba si China Beach Campground? Yes, we definitely recommend China Beach Campground. Medyo malayo lang ang drive if you're coming from downtown or sa Langford or sa other area. Pero along the way, marami kayong mapupuntahan like us. Nag-drop by kami sa Shirley Delicious this morning. Hindi na kami nag-prepare ng food sa campsite namin. Unpack, and then after namin, nagdiretso kami ng Shirley Delicious for the brunch. And ang sarap ng breakfast burrito. The best. I love the salsa. Tapos yung burrito itself. Kasi yung salsa nila ayoko kasi ng cilantro, but yung salsa nila may cilantro siya, pero ang sarap siya. Yung siya, basta na-take ko siya, nasarapan ako. Ayun, tapos along the way din naman, meron kang mga madadaanan if you want to go other spots like Jordan River. Ano pa ba yung mga mapupuntahan? Bukod sa Mystic Beach, Jordan River, basta meron pa, madami pang mga
Cold Shoulder Cafe.
May Cold Shoulder na bakery and cafe. Hindi lang namin napuntahan. May Woods, Stoke ang pangalan ng pizza, wood-fired pizza siya. Marami kayong madadaanan na kung gusto nyo. Kaya maganda rin itong way papunta dun sa China Beach Campground na yan siya. Ang nga lang is malayo yung campsite nila doon sa China Beach mismo. Siguro kung inuna namin yung China Beach tapos sinunod namin yung Mystic Beach, parang makakaya naman namin. Kaso nga lang, dahil may bata rin kaming kasama, binuhat na siya pagbalik. So yun, medyo nahirapan lang yung parents. And yun nga, mga thunders, masasakit na yung mga boto-boto. So overall, we highly recommend din yung China Beach Campground. Pero between Rath River and China Beach, mas prefer ko personally yung Rath River kasi yung beach niya, konting lakad mo lang nandun na at saka sandy siya, makakapag-swimming.
Warm.
Tsaka medyo warm yung water. Unlike dun sa Mystic Beach, ang lalaki ng alon niya. So hindi talaga good for swimming ang Mystic Beach. Although I think na dahil high tide lang siya, Pero maganda naman na may little falls doon sa Mystic Beach. So nagpunta lang siguro kami ng high tide kaya hindi namin na-enjoy yung na okay siya for swimming. Hindi namin nakita na okay siya for swimming. Ikaw ba? Between Rat River and China?
China. Ay,
Huh?
Rat Trevor and China Beach?
Yeah.
Yung
Rat River ka din?
Rat Trevor kaso nga malayo. Yung Rat Trevor.
Oh, mas malayo si Rat River kasi si Rat River almost 2 hours siya, like 1 hour and 46.
Oh,
1 hour and 46 minutes. Si China Beach naman 1 hour and 10 minutes, parang ganon. But mas maganda si Rat River if you're a family. May marami kasing si Rat River may mga nature house pa siya, may playground. Dito sa China Beach wala kami nakitang playground. Just a campsite. Tapos mag-hike ka papunta sa beach. Ayun. So yan, pauwi na kami and we are grateful na meron naman kaming bagong camping experience and napuntahan namin itong China Beach campground na to. This was our first time sa campsite na ito. So yan, thank you so much. Can you please guys follow, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye-bye.